morning all. How are you? Fine? Great. So now let's begin with our today's classes. So you all are prepared? Now tell me which subject can you see here on board? Yes, we are doing a sound. Sound is written on board. That means it's your English period. Yes. So I hope you all are having your phonic book and notebook, English notebook on your tables. Great. So let's begin then. So today is 30th September 2020. What is the date today? 30th September 2020 and the day is Wednesday. So class, do you know something? Today is the last day of September month because in September we have only 30 days. Clear? So from tomorrow a new month will begin. कल से क्या होगा? New month start होगा. That is your October month. And again there will be a change in the date. So that we are going to see tomorrow. Okay? So let's begin with our today's classes. So today in English we are going to begin with O sound words. See beta, previous class में we have started our O sound. O sound से हमने begin कर लिया था and we did OB sound. O, B, OB. OB sound किया था. Examples we did cob, mob, sob, rob. Isn't it? We did all these examples of OB sound. Today I am going to teach you OG. OG. See, OG, OG sound. Which sound we are going to begin with? OG, OG sound words. Clear? आज हम अपना काम start करेंगे OG sound का. So I have 3 pictures here on board. They are so big that you all can easily identify them. So can you identify these 3 pictures? Come on, tell me the name of these 3 pictures. So this is one of the pet. We all love to keep this as pet. Yes, what is this? Dog. Yes. So now when you are saying the word dog, OG sound is coming. Now with OG sound, which consonant is getting mixed? OG sound के साथ कौन सी consonant sound की mixing आ रही है? D, O, dog. Isn't it? So how we are going to do that? See, first we'll write D. So this is D. Isn't it? D is mixed with OG sound and it becomes dog. D, OG, dog. Clear everyone? D, OG, dog. Now, what is this? Can anyone tell me what is this? Okay, I'll give you example. You must have seen trees. आपने trees देखे? उसका जो नीचे trunk होता है, वो बहुत thick होता है. What is the meaning of thick? We have done in maths. What is the meaning of thick? Thick means मोटा. Yes, वो बहुत मोटा होता है. But should we cut the trees? No. But sometimes it happens कोई tree damage हो जाता है, lifeless हो जाता है और वो टूट के गिर जाता है. After that we chop that tree, we cut it in small pieces and those pieces are called log. हम उसकी logs बना देते हैं. वो तो बहुत big होता है तो हम उसको क्या करते हैं? We cut it and we make log. Log. Clear everyone? So the word here we have learnt is log. And what is log? It's a wooden log को हम बोलेंगे tree का एक part होता है. ठीक है? A piece of tree trunk. Tree trunk का एक piece होता है. See, for example, if I give, when we make furniture, जब carpenter आते हैं and they make furniture at home, so they order lot of wood. उन्हें wood चाहिए होती है, तो वो लंबे लकड़ी के logs order करते हैं and we make furniture out of it. Clear? So this is the best example we can give. Log. जो carpenter uncle shop से लेकर आते हैं and then he cut and make furniture out of it. So log. The word is log. Dog, dog. park. Either we walk or we do small soft running, slow running करते हैं हम लोग. What we call that? जब मैम आपको बोलती है प्रेयर टाइम पे भी हम लोग करते थे सॉफ्ट एंड ऑन द स्पॉट रनिंग, तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? ऑन द स्पॉट मतलब एक ही जगह खड़े हैं बट यू आर प्रिटेंडिंग टू रन. सो व्हाट वी कॉल दैट? jog. So what is jog? Jog is when we are doing slow running. रनिंग होती है जब वो बहुत स्पीड से भाग रहे हो, यू आर रनिंग आउट ऑफ स्पीड. बट jog is when you are running slowly, that is called jog. Jogging भी बोलते हैं और we can say jog. Jog. Clear? And we can say slow running. So the word is jog. Clear? What is the word we have learned? Jog. And the meaning of jog is to run slowly. धीरे धीरे run करो. That is jog. Okay? Okay, now moving to the next we have is this. What is this? ये कौन है? की साउंड निकालते हैं और पता है इनकी जो टंग होती है वो बहुत बिग होती है, बहुत बाहर तक जाती है. अगर दूर कोई फ्लाई बैठी है, कोई इंसेक्ट बैठा है, उसको फट से अपनी टंग से पकड़ते हैं. स्टिकी भी होती है इनकी टंग. स्टिकी मतलब जिस पे कुछ भी रखो वो चिपक जाता है और वो फ्लाई उस पे स्टिक कर जाती है एंड दे swallow it. So what is this? Which animal is this? Frog. Frog. Now understand, when we are saying the word frog, two consonants are mixing together here. And when they are mixed together, जब उनको हम साथ में बोलते हैं, the sound comes fr. So we'll write that this is fr and og. So that is frog. Got it? Frog. Understood that? Frog. Okay, let us just first revise the words that we have done till now. Dog. Say with me. And when you are saying, say with sounds. D-O-G, dog is wrong. 0. No, I will not consider those videos. When you will say dog, this is how you spell. Okay? Dog, log, jog means slow running. Okay? Jog, frog. From where we got this from? Fur and r. The sound of fur and the sound of r is mixed together, blend together, and we got the sound fr with og becomes frog. Clear? Okay. अब winters are coming. धीरे धीरे winters आ रही है ना. दिवाली के बाद winters का महीना आ जाता है. You all know winter season आ जाता है. You all know I have told you that in December and January we have winter season. So if you remember, जो winter season होता है, एक white सा धुआं सारे में दिखता है, जिसकी वजह से हम सामने थोड़ा सा दूर ही देख पाते हैं, बहुत दूर तक नहीं देख पाते. But now in summer season, you can clearly see very far off things also. So वो जो white सा धुआं होता है, what we call that? वो जो थोड़ा सा white बहुत ज़्यादा smoky सा दिखता है हमें, what we call that? Fog. जिसको आप धुंध कहते हो, हम बोलते हैं ना बहुत ठंड है, धुंध हो रही है बाहर तो आज. So what is that धुंध? वो जो white सा सारे में smoky सा हो जाता है, that is fog. Clear? और ये क्या बोलते हैं? In winter season, December and January में मिलती है ये fog. So we call it fog. Now when we are blending the sound, can you listen and tell? Fog. So which alphabet to be written first? Fur. The sound of fur is for alphabet F. Fur, og, og, bog. First let me write that word. B, og, bog. What word is this? B, og, bog. So what is bog? देखो when we go to some jungle area ना, तो वहाँ पे क्या होता है बेटा, एक दलदल होती है. So what is that daldal? It's a mixture of lot of sand, water, और ना वो कितना deep होता है, कितना गहरा होता है, nobody knows. But if we fall in it, हम उसमें अंदर फंसते चले जाते हैं. We get in the clutches, हम वहीं पे फंस जाते हैं. So this is very dangerous because अगर हम वहाँ से नहीं निकल पाते, we can die also. That daldal is called bog. वो जो जगह होती है जहाँ पे वो बहुत सारा वाटर और सैंड, वो आपको नॉर्मल लैंड जैसे दिखेगा, बट सडनली यू विल फॉल इन इट. आप एकदम से उसमें गिर जाओगे. एंड इन हिंदी इफ यू रेफर द वर्ड, इट इज दलदल. क्लियर? तो बहुत स्टिकी सा होता है वो, और अगर आप उसमें बहुत निकलने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, यू आर मेकिंग लॉट ऑफ मूवमेंट्स, तो वो मूवमेंट्स की वजह से आप निकल नहीं पाते हो, उसमें और फंसते चले जाते. Clear? That is why never go again, never go alone anywhere. Okay? So that is b, og, bog. What is that word? B, og, bog. And in Hindi we call it daldal. Okay? In Hindi what we call it? Daldal. So it's easy to understand from there. Now let us do a quick revision of the words of og sound words that we have learnt today. So beginning from for. For, og, fog. Say with me. For, og, fog. D, og, dog. D, og, dog. J, og, jog. L, og, log. B, og, bog. Fr, og, frog. Clear? Okay. Now moving towards today's work. So in book you are going to do work on page number 49. Book page number 49. So this is your today's class work. Clear? So when you will open your phonic book on page number 49. So now you all are aware which is your phonic book. So open this phonic book on page number 49 and you will find og sound words there. First you have to do that work in book, and after that we are going to write these og sound words in notebook also. Clear? So let us see how to do our homework today. So class, now open your notebook, and in notebook open a fresh page, and there first we are going to write our today's date. So today is 30th September. 30th September 2020, and this is our homework. So we'll write HW. Clear? So today which sound we have done? We have done og sound. So we'll write that here. Og sound words. Like this we will write our heading today. Og sound words. After writing the heading, we are going to begin with og sound words. Okay. So the first word is d, og, dog. So you love keeping dog as your pet? It's a very loyal animal. D, og, dog. Then we did f, og, fog. L, og, log. After that, j, og, jog. Then we learnt b, og, bog. Then fr, og, frog. So let us first revise the words. The words that we have learned today is dog. So what is the meaning of dog? Dog means the animal that we keep as our pet. In Hindi you all know what we call it? Yes, there are a lot of breeds in dog. Then we have fog. Fog means dhund. Next we did is log. So what you can do, we can also draw the picture of log here. One circle like this. So like this you have drawn log. If you like, you can draw the picture of a dog and frog also. The next we did is jog. Then we did bog. So what is bog? I told you bog is daldal. Bog. Then we did frog. Frog. Understood? Okay class, one thing which I want to tell you is, when you do your classwork, that is the work in your book, you have certain pictures given in the sentence form. So you have to complete those sentences. Are you all actually doing that? Yes or no? So let us see what we are going to do today. Okay, let's check that. So see everyone, this is your book. And as I told you, today's work to be done on page number 49. So are you writing date every day? So write down the date first. And after that we'll write CW. So you have to write this word 3 more times here. Clear? This is how you are doing your work. Now see here. See the picture and complete the sentence. Pick up the log. So it's an ik sound word. Pick matlab uthana. Up the log. So this is log. So we'll write log here. Now class, I am telling you how you can start with your reading work. Now see, you know ik sound word. Ik. Pick up the log. Then we have go and, so what this boy is doing? He is doing jogging kar raha hai. So go and jog. So we'll write jog here like this. Next is Jojo. Jojo is my dog. Dog. Understood? So like this you have to write these sentences also. ये ऊपर का work you are going to finish it. First you will do this work and after that write these sentences also in book only. Okay? So class, I hope that you have understood our today's og sound. One more sound that we have learned in O family is og sound. Clear? So let us have a revision of these words once again. Beta, whenever I am saying let us have a revision, that means you have to say with me. आपको भी मैम के साथ repeat बोलना है in the same way as I am saying. So that when I am saying and you are repeating with me, you will understand how you have to learn this word. Because many of you are still learning it in the form FOG, fog, BIG, big. So no, this is not at all accepted. अगर आप ऐसे read करोगे तो आप आगे further reading कर नहीं पाओगे. Clear? As I have just done the reading for your book also, the sentence to be read in the way I told you. Per-ik. When the per and ik will blend, pick. आपको अपने आप पता लग गया ना? P-I-C-K, pick. ऐसे थोड़ी ना बोलना है. So you have to just say the sounds. Clear? Now please say with me. F-og, fog. D-og, dog. J-og, L og log, B og bog, Fr og frog. Is that clear? So now complete your work and don't forget to share your work with me. With that, please keep revising the previous one also. Okay? Bye.